June 30th, I think, Sunday, and I have to get ready for what, you may ask? My trip. Technically 2 trips, because I have one on Wednesday and then I come back and then I leave on Tuesday. So I've got a lot going on. I have a few things on my list, but today is a get shit done kind of day. So I have quite a few things to do. I have this list of things that needs to be done. It's not a lot. Well, it is a lot to get done in like a span of today, hopefully. But I'm gonna try to figure it out. So I've already done 2 things on this list, and if you want to see me do those 2 things, you can watch my last 2 videos, because that's what they are. Today, however, is kind of a shopping for things last minute kind of thing, and then also cleaning anything else that needs to be cleaned. I have to wash my car today, so we're gonna do that. We also have to look through all of my clothes to figure out what I'm gonna take to Vegas, and then out of that grab like 2 or 3 outfits and figure out what I'm gonna wear to Chelan. But first things first, let's actually look through this list to see what exactly we need to do, because I also need to go to the mall. But I'm waiting till Desiree gets out of work so she can come with. Sorry, I'm like sleepy. It's like 10 something, but I've been awake kind of knocking things out all morning. So yeah, I think I have to, before I go shopping, I need to basically look through my entire closet, figure out what it is I'm missing, what it is I need, what it is I don't need, and make a list of that, because I have a list of things. I have so many lists. Front, back list of things I should take with me clothes wise. Like what kind of shoes, what kind of shirts, shorts, pants, dresses, things like that. But I'm going to go through this list and make a mental note, put a star next to things that I need to go get, and start doing that. But I need to tie up another loose end. As you guys know, these last few videos is me basically telling you why I shouldn't procrastinate, why you shouldn't procrastinate, and why I'm rushing now to get things done. I wanted my room to be clean, my clothes to be clean, my car to be clean. I want everything clean and done. I don't want to have to come home from a trip and like have a messy room, have a messy car. I'm gonna have to wash clothes, so that's like out of the picture, but still, I've got things to do. Meanwhile, I'm also trying to pack, so we're actually gonna go clean my car, which I don't think I put on my list. We're basically gonna go deep clean my car. I've been waiting until now because I need Melissa to help me. And now that she's awake, she's gonna eat, and then she's gonna come and help me. I'm gonna go get stuff ready to go wash the car. I also have to take a shower today before I leave to the mall. So we've got a lot to do. Desiree gets off at 12. It's 10 something, 10:30, almost 11, I think, maybe. I don't really know. But we're gonna do this. Let's knock this ish out. Look who's here to help me. Her voice is gone. I don't know what she did to it yesterday, but it's like completely gone. She threw up this morning, so she's not feeling the best. But thank you for helping me either way. Yeah, if you want. We're cleaning the outside first. So I was looking for the other part of the hose to screw it back in so I can put it. Sorry. You're good. So I can put it in here, right? I don't know. This didn't need to happen. I guess there's another little part of the hose that we had or something that I connected from here to here, because the inside of this hose is connected to in there. I'll come back to you when I figure this out. A mess, but we finished cleaning the car. Ooh, wow. She's clean. Okay, from the outside at least. We have to clean the inside because I want to, like, deep clean everything. Is that a scratch? No. Okay, so I can't get in the car right now because I'm wet, but she's gonna clean the inside of the car. She's gonna go through everything. You want me to bring you a garbage bag? And yeah, she's gonna like wipe the whole inside out. Make sure you wipe in here because that, I got that though. Okay, I'll try to get that again. But over there, on that side, that's inside. For the spider. Gotta clean it. Okay, there you go. Are you gonna time lapse it? Yeah, I'll get you a towel. To wipe it down with. My car is almost fully clean. I have to vacuum it still. I was in the middle of it, but we're taking a break. We're taking an intermission. I went to go pick up some pizza, and I'm really excited to eat it. Some pizza and wings, and we're probably just gonna drink water because I was not instructed to pick up a soda. So forgot to film me actually picking up the pizza. But either way, I got the pizza. Woo! I'll show you. The pizza. Why is my okay? The pizza. My water, but the pizza and the wings. Yes. Also, that one opened and fell down that way. So I'm really hoping that I caught it in time because it only opened a little bit. I don't know if it spilled. We're about to find out. I'm really stressed out, but here we go. Okay. Hello. Hi. I didn't show you guys the finished car, but it's clean now. We went to Fred Meyer's. I picked up a beauty blender, or what's it called? Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've done today. I'm kind of tired, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess, to continue.
Hi. So as Grimace, that's why the filter is here. But that's actually going to be it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and my videos, don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you want to check out part 1 and part 2 of these, videos, you totally should go watch those. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. They will be down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scout. Live your lives, biscuits. Bye.